Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow steps on how to fix the no output devices found error on Windows 11. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. First thing you can try to resolve this issue is restart your system. Sometimes a simple restart is all it takes to fix the issue. If restarting your system didn't fix the issue, next thing to do is run the troubleshooter. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and I. This takes you to the settings page. Now scroll down and click Troubleshoot. Other troubleshooters. Over here on Playing Audio, click Run. The troubleshooter will detect any issues with your system sound and in some cases even fix them automatically. Just follow any prompts that may show up on screen. If the troubleshooter didn't fix the issue, the next thing we're going to do is ensure that your speaker is enabled. Press the Windows key and I to go back to the settings page. Now click Sound. Scroll down, then click More Sound Settings. Over here on the Playback tab, you can see my speaker. If yours is grayed out like mine, right click it, click Enable. If you see it's already enabled, right click it, disable it, then right click it again, then click Enable. Now click OK. As you can see, this fixed the issue for me. If the last method didn't fix the issue for you, next thing to do is try updating the drivers. Right click the Windows icon, then click Device Manager. Now on this page, scroll down till you see Sound, Video and Game Controllers, then click it to expand it. Locate your audio driver here, see mine here, right click it, then click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Ensure that your PC is connected to the internet for this to work. Once this is done, close this page, scroll up to Audio Inputs and Outputs, click it to expand it. Now locate your speaker, right click it and select Update again. Like before, click Search automatically for drivers. Once that's done, click Close. Now restart your system and test the sound to see if the issue has been fixed. If the last method still didn't work for you, the final thing we're going to do is configure the Windows Audio Service. Click the Windows icon, then type Services. Hit Enter to open this up. Now on this page, scroll down till you locate Windows Audio. Double click it. Now over here, ensure that the startup type is set to automatic. And if the status here says stopped, just click the start button over here. Now click Apply, then click OK. If the service was already running, just click Restart the service. Click Yes. Once that's done, test the sound to see if the issue has been fixed. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.